Hey, how you doing? I'm doing glorious today. I'm doing wonderful.
Purple Heart Homes is a national 501c3 nonprofit. It was co-founded by 2 combat wounded Iraq veterans. So what we do with Operation Veteran Home Renovation is we do home repairs working with the National League of Cities, the Home Depot Foundation, our financial partner, Penn Federal Credit Union, and obviously the community of Pensacola.
I'm just thankful. I served my country because I wanted to. My wife is probably looking down on this day and said, "You deserve it." She's probably saying, she's in heaven now. She's been gone for about 8 years, and I'm deeply. Anyway, I just don't. I'm not going to get up here and talk anymore because the tears would probably come out of my eyes.
To honor Mr. Perkins, Mr. Keller, Mr. George, M. Burton, and all the veterans who have served and still protect our freedom, we're here to thank them all and thank them for their service.